Hello guys, it's been too long. So today we are gonna compile Tor. So most of you guys know about Tor and how it's working. So for a basic overview, so Tor is some kind of semi-distributed kind of system in which there are nodes and there are some repository kind of stuff. Basically, which maintains the connection, which basically maintains the information about the nodes which are present in a network. So Tor is used for many things. Okay, it basically gives you anonymity around the net and various stuff. So basically, we're gonna compile the Tor from the source. So the basically you can follow this along. This notebook is given on a description. You can just click and run this notebook. So for compiling Tor, I'm using the official source of the Tor, which is present in the GitLab. There are some copies which are also present in GitHub, but they contain some bug or something like that. So sometimes they didn't compile. So this is the official one which I got. So you can I also providing this link to in the description. You can also copy it. So compiling Tor is quite easy. First of all, you have to just clone the Tor. Okay, it just take a minute or so. Okay, I already did. That's why it's giving this error that the Tor folder is already existed. After that, you have to just run this script autogen. It basically check the configuration and all that stuff. Okay, it doesn't make the configuration. Okay, but it's a step which is required to make the configuration. So it's already done. That's why it doesn't give any output further. So after that, you have to just run this configuration script, which makes the configuration to build. It's gonna take just about 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Once it is done, there's one more thing. You can change the multiple things. There you can see there's many flags over here. You can set it or turn it off. Okay, according to your will. And after that, you have to just compile it. I already did, so it's just gonna make it happen. So it's like my Tor is compiled. After that, just have to install it, or you can just run the binary from here also. I'm gonna install it. So it's gonna copy our files to our locations which we need. So there is one thing. This tor rc file. Just copied. Uh, okay, yeah. There's a sample tor rc file. Copy to this. Okay. So the thing is that you can change the configurations like you can add hidden services, you can change the port and so on by configuring this tor rc file. If you want, I can also make a video about this. After that, it's quite easy. You can run the Tor. It create a SOX proxy in your system by which you can connect with any software. So you can see there is a SOX proxy open at port number 9050. So you can also use some Python code to browse the Tor, or do use Python code to use the exit nodes to connect to the clear web websites, and so on. Okay, so this is the basic tutorial how to compile the Tor and stuff. There are some dependencies which is already installed in the Colab, I installed that. I also compile in my system also. So the dependency is not that much. It already mentions every dependency when you got error. So if you want the list of dependency which you have to be installed, so you can comment below. I'm able to give the list of dependency. So that's it. It's a quite short video. Probably next video we're gonna work on fine tuning some LLM and stuff.